If your house foundation has a crack, something like this, it's about 1/8 of an inch, and it's not expanding. It's been there for many years, tens of years. Like this building, it's been here for 50 years, never expanded, just stayed here like this. There are no internal or inside leaks in the basement. Then don't panic. Don't call the excavation company to dig it up, to fix it up. You can do it, but if you are on the budget, you can just fix it up yourself quickly and probably forget about it for the next 50 years. And I'll show you how. So first clean up everything around this crack. And I already removed all the vegetation around the crack. The next step is you need to brush up the edges. If you don't have any power tools, just have a manual brush and just brush it up. I'm going to be using grinder with the brush. Next step, grab some quality concrete polyurethane. I'm using this DAP concrete fiberglass poly, and it also has 35% movement. I'm not expecting this crack to move 35%, but if it's like 1% movement, depending on the road work or whatever happens, I don't want it to crack, so that's important. Fill up the crack for as much as you can. Take a piece of paper, or if you have disposable gloves, just spread it around and remove the excess of this polyurethane. As you can see, it blends really nicely with the concrete. So no matter how you try to smooth it, it's not gonna smooth very nicely. So if you want to blend it with the surface, get some little stones or get some dust and just spread it around. I don't have sand. The sand would be ideal, but you get an idea. Just spread it around and you will get almost the same surface as the original concrete. As you can see, it's a little bit darker than the original concrete, but that's because of this polyurethane. Once it dries out, it's gonna be a little bit lighter and you won't even notice that there was a crack around. And once we added those little stones, like exactly the same ones in this concrete or sand, is not gonna be even visible. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Cheers.